Hello guys, today in this video I'm gonna to show you how to use the small taskbar buttons in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to use small taskbar buttons in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly, right click. After click on personalize, click on taskbar. And here option use small taskbar button. So if you want to enable or turn on, so slash to turn on. That is. If you want to small taskbar button, so slash to on position. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to use small taskbar buttons in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.